Banana fritters, guys. Come, let's make it together. So we have 3 bananas. We're gonna add them to our bowl. So I'm gonna go in with some sugar. I have some brown and white sugar. So I'm just gonna go in with some of it. And this depends on how sweet you like your banana fritters. Then go in with a pinch of salt. So about a teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna add some cinnamon powder to that. And then we are going with some nutmeg. And then we will just crush the bananas. So I'm gonna mash up ground beef, you know, but is good enough. So we are going with some flour. I'm going with half cup of flour first. Mix that in. Alright, and that work. Go in and just set this aside. And so now we're going with a little vegetable oil, not too much. Now let's go in. So just like a scoop up 1 spoonful. Drop that. Go again. Just go in, find space, drop in. I'm still not using an iron spoon, I'm a pot still. Right, so the fritters then start catch color. So now we're going now and flip that. The banana is not so overripe, you know, so. And also, if you flip them and then cook too soon, you can always go back in and flip them again. Alright, I set up a plate to put fritters in pan. So just place some napkin in it so you can soak up the excess oil. Alright, let's go in and take out the fritters there. And we're going to place them on the napkin so you can soak up the excess oil. Alright. Alright, drop it in the next set. Okay, so allow them to fry. Look at going and flip. Alright, so we're going to drop another one and give it a coat. Okay, alright, so this is what we have now, and then I have a little powdered sugar that I'm just gonna sprinkle on the top.